So may interesting question dito. Can diabetes cause ED? So for the context of everyone, ano ba ang ED? So tinatawag natin doon ay erectile dysfunction. So this is a type of sexual dysfunction that is involved with yun nga, inability for a male or lalaki to sustain an erection. So kaya bang mag-cause or pwede bang mag-cause ng poor erection ang diabetes? The answer there is there are cases, yes, it will cause erectile dysfunction. There is no single etiology, meaning reason or single factor na pwedeng mag-contribute for the erectile dysfunction, that there are several considerations. So dyan, syempre, yung pagkasira ng daluyan ng dugo na dumadaloy dun sa may ari ng lalaki. So, dun sa poor erection, hindi makapag-sustain yung blood vessels because of the damage, as well as, yun nga, hindi rin nasi-stimulate because nasira din yung mga nerve endings at the area of the phallus or the penis. No? So, aside from that, marami din mga molecular involvement na medyo baka hindi nyo maintindihan. But those are several considerations bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng erectile dysfunction. Trivia, ang tawag natin doon ay DIED, D-I-E-D, or Diabetes-Induced Erectile Dysfunction. So, ang pangit pakinggan. The main one identified ko. Okay. Key takeaway, paano ma-prevent ito? Siyempre, treat the underlying cause, that is your diabetes. And always, seek consult with your doctor. If you have trouble with ED, don't be shy to tell your doctors para lang din ma-address at saka mag-guide kayo properly. Okay? Ingat.